Hello, my name is Airdas Kirstukas, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make custom map by using Google Map. So first you need to find a Google map. Just type my map, my maps Google, just press that and you gonna end up in that Google My Maps website. You just need to be logged in on your Google account. So first map I'm gonna show you service of the business, and then you need to press create new map. As you pressed, you can type your area where you wanted to make. Let's say I press this one and then layer, and then you go on this sign and draw the line. You can as well make a bigger that you could see where you're drawing. As well, it has possibility to import actually the map. So if you have GPS and you can drive to those roads and then bring back here and upload that, and it would be showing that area. But we're gonna draw this one manually by hand. Add lines. If you want an exact replica, if you definitely have, so then probably best choice would be drive. Okay, we're just gonna try to play up. Okay, let's say we're gonna covering this area just roughly. That's gonna take time. This is gonna be, let's say, Mondays. Mondays. Save. All done. Add another layer and draw again. You should do more nicely. I just a bit rushing because I don't want to take ages. Tuesdays. Save. Okay, and we can change color. Let's see this one. That would be seeable difference. You can adjust transparency, as you can see, and you can as well do the border bigger or smaller if you want. So that's the thing. So and then add new layer and draw again. You can see how simple it is to do this one. It's really easy. Just let's say a bit here. Gonna go. Yep. And then Wednesdays. Days. Days. Save. Change color as well. Let's see, pink. A bit more. Okay. So 2 areas. Let another one. Thursdays. I'm gonna do. Tuesdays, save. Let's do blue. Okay, and last one, Fridays. Okay, so as you can see, we have selected 5 areas. As well would work same for the delivery prices. Let's say if you have a shop here, and then you can set up cycles, like let's say this cycle you're delivering for free, and then on the bigger cycle, let's say you charge £3 or £5 or whatever. You can as well do the same, actually, that the customer could know from where we're gonna be charged. Okay, let's go here. We're gonna change this, rename these layers. So we're gonna go Monday, rename this layer Tuesday, rename this layer Wednesday, rename this layer Thursday, and rename this layer Friday. Servicing area of business, let's say, whatever. Save. Okay, you collected this one. You can actually delete if you want, or you can leave it. It's up to you. When you've done it like this, its map is already made. Now, then you have to share, and you have to change from private to the public on web. Save. Done. And then go embed on my site and copy this one. Copy, go to Elementor, and where is this? Paste that code here. And as you see, the area showing up here. So if I'm gonna update here, then we can preview. Yes, and if you press on this, it's gonna show Fridays, servicing on Fridays. You can set up like if delivery any prices, or what, you can write whatever you want. And then Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays. And then you can scroll down and make it bigger or smaller. Yep, it's only those signs. Let's have plus, you can actually see quite good. So that's done. One more thing, if you want to just make bigger maps, so you go in here, and then instead of 4, you can just say 880 if you want date. And then if you're gonna go here, it's gonna be mapped much bigger. If you scroll down, you can see exactly which area gonna be served when servicing of business. And as well, your clients will have the option to share this map. And second, we're gonna just create now quick one. Let's say you wanna create delivery custom map for different prices. Let's say I see a lot of eBay sellers, we have a postcodes, and we're delivering fee is different depending on which part of the country delivering. So most of the time you have that this main area is one price, up there is second price, and if you have some Iceland it can be even other price. So just you need to some patience and just do like properly, just go around. But for this one quick one I'm just gonna show, you just press draw the line, the button, add the shape, then just roughly you can whatever, even let's say like this, you can do this area, and then price 1. You can write description as well, how much you charge, let's say 4, whatever, and save. And then add layer and draw again. And then we can move a bit, make smaller, and then start drawing. Let's say this, 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 and this. Price 2, price 2, and 6 pounds, let's say 6 pounds. Save and change color. This one. Press on the title, you can write the name, the map, the name, my map, let's say, and save. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.